Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about, is there any fix for Valorant timeout error? Something unusual happened, right? So the time error in Valorant generally comes up. The game's client takes an unusual long duration of the time to connect to the servers, and it could possibly be because of the server have gone offline because of an unexpected outage or planned maintenance. And what sets it apart from the other error code in Valorant is the fact that lacks may in the district number. So if you're having this kind of issue, what I just want to make you is you can check the status of the game servers by visiting the official Valorant Twitter account. That developer usually tweet regarding planned server downtimes out there and usually informs players and any kind of things. And also I just want to make you notice that, if you're playing the game, you just have to quit the game and you just have to make sure you're having a good connection over here in the Wi-Fi. So if you're disconnected, you can just go for disconnected and you can connect it back once again. Then what you have to do is you just have to go here and you can go for a restart option here, so that sometimes these small solutions can fix the issue. But all you have to do is you just have to cancel the game. You just have to quit the game. Then you just have to make sure the internet connection is good enough. Then you just have to restart. Sometimes this can fix the issue. So this is what it's all about if you're asking me a solution for Valorant timeout error, right? Something unusual happened, that's all about it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shahin signing off from Good Travel Tips. See you soon. Peace out.